Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by choosing the exact base colors and measuring them precisely. Use a scale or syringe to dose each pigment. This controls color repeatability. Pour the largest portion first, then add smaller doses for midtones and highlights. Keep your ratio written so you can recreate the mix later. Once done, stir briefly to break surface tension, then move immediately to high shear blending. This first action sets texture and avoids air entrapment, so don't skip accurate measurement or labeling. Next, position the blender so the vortex draws paint down into the blades. This ensures homogeneous pigment dispersion. Start on low speed briefly to align pigments, then ramp to medium to shear particles without aeration. This prevents bubbles and maintains gloss. Use interleaved pulses, 3-5 seconds on, 2 seconds off, watching viscosity change. If you see streaks, pause and scrape the sides, then continue. Make sure to keep the container stable and never lift the blender while spinning. Finish by sieving the blended paint to remove any unmixed clumps. A 100-200 μm mesh works for most finishes. After filtering, let the batch rest for 10-15 minutes so microbubbles rise and dissipate. This improves clarity when applied. Transfer to storage containers and label with ratio and date. If you notice separation or dullness later, remix gently and add a small percentage of fresh binder or dispersant. Test on a scrap surface to confirm recovery before using the full batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.